Hey guys, so I just wanted to take a quick look here at Android 7.1 Nougat here for the LG G5, which I just installed on the device. I wanted to see how the latest software did run on the phone here. So you can see we do have some things such as the Google Pixel buttons at the bottom here, which make it look nice and up to date. I think the actual ROM here is based upon the CM14, so the ROM is called crDroid, which I'll leave in the description if you want to check it out. You will need obviously to unlock the bootloader and root and flash the device, but in the actual settings here you can see LG is on the Nougat here, so we do have the nice cat thing, which I still haven't really managed to figure out, but it is very nice. And if we have a look at the actual software here, you can see it is a very stock experience. So if you don't like LG software, this could be the fix. You know, going into stuff feels amazingly fast compared to the stock software here. So I think if you're looking for a performance boost, this is definitely going to bring it. It's also going to bring some of the excellent Nougat features as well. So if you want to multitask here with apps which do support it, so let's just open up these two, you can do that. So just go to that one. Oops. Try that again. I hope that eventually they make it so that you can go into the multitasking by holding down the multitasking button, because that would be pretty good. I think we can see it works here pretty nice, no issues with it. And also they have implemented the 3D touch as well, which we do get from Nougat as well. So you can see we can quickly add a new reminder or something just by doing that. Click on the actual text, because if you click on the icon it doesn't work, but it is working if you click on the text. The only thing which isn't working, which is a little bit annoying, is the video recording for some reason. I don't know why it's not working, but you can see you get this message when it's when you click it. Also, they've not retained the wide lens as well, so the actual camera does work. You can take shots, etc., and the 4K options, etc., are there, but the those two things are something to be aware of here if you do need them. You do get quite a lot of customization options in the settings. You can see there's a lot of different wallpapers here. I do like the look of some of these Nougat-y kind of ones, so we can put that one on. And you do get some customizations of crDroid, the actual ROM. So if you just go here in the settings, you can see you can resize a whole load of different things. I've made these a little bit bigger, but you can make them smaller if you want. You can do different navigation mode as well. This is quite innovative. To be honest, I've never tried it like this, but you could get lost as well if you do put that on. So you might want to turn it off and go back to your smart bar. That's what it's called nowadays. I don't think we get Google Assistant though, which is a bit annoying, but maybe you can download it or install it from somewhere. You do get Google Now obviously, and the tap, so that is available. And you can also edit the quick area here. You have a coffee as well mode, caffeine button. So if you're someone who wants to keep track of your caffeine, you can say, oh, I want one in 10 minutes, and then it will count down and alert you. So I find that quite amusing, really. You also get a night light if you get headaches from blue light. So it's a pretty nice ROM here, particularly if you've got a LG G5 and you want to check out Android Nougat like on there. I'm not 100% sure when LG is releasing the official one like we do have on the V20, but hopefully I will get it on when it is available. But for those of you who want a stock experience, Really, you can't go wrong with this. Just be aware that the video recording is not working, obviously, and obviously the wide lens isn't available as well, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, just a quick little video here checking out Android 7.1 on the LG G5. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.